Christmas time in Zagreb, Croatia, is a magical experience that attracts visitors from all over the world. The city, known for its charming architecture and cozy atmosphere, transforms into a winter wonderland during the holiday season. Here's what you can expect during Christmas in Zagreb. 1. Advent in Zagreb. Zagreb's Advent celebration has been consistently ranked as one of the best in Europe, drawing thousands of visitors each year. The Advent festivities usually start at the end of November and last until the beginning of January. Key highlights. Jelačić Square, the heart of Zagreb's Christmas celebrations. The square is decorated with beautiful lights and Christmas trees, and you'll find food stalls selling mulled wine, hot wine, or kuhano vino, traditional pastries like fritule, small doughnuts, and kutija, a type of sweet cake. Zagreb Park, one of the most picturesque spots in Zagreb during Advent. The park is lit with thousands of fairy lights, and you can enjoy live music performances, carolers, and more. Jelačić Street, this popular pedestrian street is lined with bars, cafes, and shops, all beautifully decorated for Christmas. The lively atmosphere is complemented by street performances and the scent of roasted chestnuts. Ice skating, the city sets up outdoor ice skating rinks at various locations, like at Tomislav Square or the city's central skating rink at King Tomislav Park, perfect for families and those looking for some active holiday fun. 2. Christmas markets. Zagreb is home to numerous charming Christmas markets, where you can buy handmade gifts, ornaments, and local crafts. These markets are scattered around the city, and you'll find beautiful wooden stalls selling everything from art to local delicacies. Some notable markets include European Square, known for its festive wooden houses and local artisans. Doughnuts Market, the city's main open-air market, which also features a special Christmas section with fresh produce, local specialties, and seasonal goods. 3. Food and drink. Food plays an important role in the Christmas festivities. During Advent, you'll find many local delicacies like fritule, small, fried donuts dusted with powdered sugar. Rizi bizi, a rice and pea dish often served during Christmas meals. Sarma, cabbage rolls stuffed with minced meat and rice. Roast chestnuts, a classic winter treat sold on street corners. Don't miss the hot drinks, especially mulled wine, kuhano vino, and hot chocolate, which are perfect for warming up on chilly winter evenings.
4. Cultural events and concerts. Zagreb hosts various concerts and performances during the Christmas period, including Christmas carols. Local choirs and ensembles perform traditional Christmas carols throughout the city. The Nutcracker, many of the city's theaters, including the Croatian National Theatre, put on performances of the Nutcracker Ballet. Christmas concerts. There are also classical music concerts held at places like the Vatroslav Lisinski Concert Hall. 5. Strolling through Zagreb's historic streets. Zagreb's historic old town, with its medieval charm, is particularly enchanting at Christmas. The narrow, cobblestone streets, like those in Gradec and Capitol, are festively lit, and you can enjoy the charming boutiques, cafes, and churches. It's the perfect setting for a winter stroll. 6. Church services and midnight mass. For those interested in the religious side of Christmas, Zagreb's churches offer beautiful services, especially the midnight mass on Christmas Eve. The Cathedral of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary is a magnificent place to experience this tradition. 7. Weather. The weather in Zagreb during Christmas time is typically cold, with temperatures ranging from 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Snowfall is possible, though not guaranteed. When it does snow, the city takes on a particularly magical atmosphere, with the white landscape and the twinkling Christmas lights making everything feel even more festive. 8. New Year's Eve. Zagreb also hosts a big New Year's Eve celebration, with concerts, parties, and a countdown to midnight in Jelačić Square. Fireworks light up the sky, and the city comes alive with a sense of excitement. Conclusion. Zagreb during Christmas is a beautiful blend of tradition, warmth, and festivity. Whether you're wandering through its Christmas markets, enjoying a cup of mulled wine by the city's Christmas lights, or attending one of the many cultural events, you'll experience a sense of holiday joy that's both local and welcoming to visitors. It's definitely a destination worth considering if you want to immerse yourself in the holiday spirit.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.